The Ram Setu, mythology or fact. Ram Setu, also known as Adam's Bridge, is a chain of limestone shoals and sandbars that connects the southern tip of India to the northern coast of Sri Lanka. This 48-kilometer-long natural formation has been a topic of interest for centuries, with various theories and legends surrounding its origin. Ram Setu is a unique geological feature that has been formed through the accumulation of coral reefs, sand, and limestone. The shoals are shallow, with an average depth of 1 to 2 meters, making it a hazardous route for ships and boats. The formation is dynamic, with the sandbars and shoals constantly shifting due to ocean currents and tidal activity. In Hindu mythology, Ram Setu is believed to be the bridge built by Lord Rama, with the help of his Vanara, monkey, army, to cross over to Lanka and rescue his wife, Sita, from the clutches of Ravana. The bridge is said to have been constructed using stones and trees, which were thrown into the sea to create a path. This mythological significance has made Ram Setu a sacred site for Hindus, who believe that it is a testament to Lord Rama's engineering prowess and divine power. Ram Setu has been mentioned in various historical texts, including the ancient Indian epic, the Ramayana, and the Mahabharata. The bridge has also been referenced in the works of the Greek historian, Strabo, and the Chinese traveler, Huan-Zhang. In the 15th century, the Indian Ocean trade route was established, and Ram Setu became an important landmark for sailors and merchants traveling between India and Southeast Asia. In recent years, Ram Setu has been at the center of a controversy surrounding its origins. While some scientists believe that the formation is a natural geological feature, others argue that it is a man-made structure, built by an advanced civilization thousands of years ago. This debate has sparked intense discussion and research, with some claiming that the bridge is a testament to the existence of the lost city of Dwarka or the ancient civilization of Kumari Khandam. Ram Setu is facing environmental threats due to human activities such as coastal erosion, pollution, and the construction of a shipping canal. The proposed Setusmudram shipping canal project, which aims to create a navigable waterway between India and Sri Lanka, has raised concerns about the potential destruction of the shoals and the impact on the marine ecosystem. Ram Setu is a fascinating natural formation with significant geological, mythological, and historical importance. While its origins continue to be debated, its cultural and environmental significance cannot be ignored. Efforts must be made to preserve and protect this unique feature, not only for its historical and mythological significance but also for its ecological importance. As we continue to explore and learn more about Ram Setu, we must also acknowledge the need to balance human activities with environmental conservation and cultural sensitivity. Thank you for listening to our article. Please share our content and subscribe to our channel for more meaningful videos.